In this video we are going to explore: what is a herbal-infused oil? What herbs can be used? What are the best carrier oils? Basic infusions methods. Herbal-infused oils are a wonderful way to capture the therapeutic benefits of herbs. They are simple, easy to make and incredibly beneficial. These oils are simply made by steeping medicinal plants into a carrier oil for a certain amount of time, usually weeks or months. This process is called infusion or maceration. Depending on the herbs we choose, we can make these herbal-infused oils for many topical uses. For skincare, to nourish and moisturize the skin and heal a variety of skin conditions like dermatitis, bruises, minor burns and wounds. For hair care, to nourish and condition the hairs are used as a scalp treatment, to reduce hair loss, promote hair growth, soothe itchy scalp and control dandruff. Herbal-infused oils can be made with both dried and fresh herbs. For best results, it is recommended to use high-quality dried herbs to obtain a longer-lasting product. Fresh herbs have higher water content and they may lead to rancid oil or mold issues quickly. This is because when moisture combined with oil will form a bacterial explosion. So extra care should be taken when infusing fresh herbs in oil. Suitable herbs for infused oils. There are so many herbs we can choose from, depending on our needs. Some examples. Calendula flowers have antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. Good for sunburn, itchy skin, rashes and wounds. Chamomile flowers have anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. Good for skin conditions like rashes, eczema, redness and acne. Lavender flowers have antibacterial and antifungal and relaxing properties. Great to soothe skin irritation, burn, bites, rashes, acne and more. Chickweed leaves have anti-inflammatory, antiseptic and antifungal properties. Good for skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, boils and insect bites. Plantain leaves have excellent anti-aging and anti-wrinkle properties that encourage tissue renewal. It is used as an anti-inflammatory for skin irritation and wound care. Rosemary leaves have antimicrobial, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Great for toning the skin, unclogs blocked pores, stimulates circulation, soothes itchy scalp, dandruff and stimulates hair growth. Tips. Make sure to learn as much as you can about the properties of each herb before use. Test a small amount of herb on your skin for allergic reaction before applying it over the interested area. The best carrier oils for topical use. Jojoba. Light texture, non-greasy, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial. Argan. Anti-sebum effect, antibacterial, anti-fungicide and anti-aging. Sweet almond. Full of vitamin A, anti-inflammatory, improves skin tone. Grapeseed. Light oil, great for oily, pro-acne skin and non-greasy. Castor. Full of antioxidants, fatty acids, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Be aware castor oil used internally acts as a potent laxative. Avocado. Hydrate and moisturize our skin, full of antioxidants, fatty acids, and vitamins. Coconut. Anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and very moisturizing. Remember, avocado and coconut oils are less suitable for face skin. These oils tend to be greasy and will clog the pores of the skin. Infusions methods. Topical oils. There are two basic methods to prepare herbal-infused oils: the warm infusion and the solar infusion. Warm infusion. Ingredients. Carrier oil of your choice. Dried herbs of your choice. 1 sterilized glass jar with a fitting lid. Size of your choice. 1 sterilized glass bottle. Waxed paper. Seed heating mat, optional. Process. Fill a dry, sterilized glass jar 3/4 full with dried herbs. Dried herbs will expand, so do not fill more than 3/4. Pour room temperature oil over herbs. Use a sterilized spoon to stir the oil mixture, making sure to remove any air bubbles. Seal the jar with a fitting lid. Place the jar in a dark, warm spot like the top of the fridge or in a cabinet close to the oven. Or, you can choose to sit the jar on top of a seed heating mat and let infuse the oil for 6 to 12 weeks. Remember to gently shake the jar every few days. If the herbs emerge above the oil surface while infusing, just add more oil on top. When the infusion time is up, strain the herbs using a cheesecloth or a fine strainer. Pour the infused oil into a clean sterilized glass bottle. Label the jar with the date, type of oil and herbs used. Store in a cool and dark place. Refrigeration is recommended, for a longer shelf life up to 6 to 12 months. Solar infusion. Ingredients. Dried herbs of your choice. Carrier oil of your choice. 2 sterilized glass jars with fitting lids, size of your choice. Fine strainer or cheesecloth. Paper bag or dark box. Process: fill a dry, sterilized jar 3/4 full with dried herbs. Pour room temperature oil over herbs. Stir the oil mixture with a sterilized spoon, making sure to remove any air bubbles. Seal the jar and place it into a paper bag or dark cloth or box, to reduce UV rays exposure, which is responsible to break down the herb's properties contained in our oil. Once the jar is covered, place it on a sunny windowsill or directly in the sunlight for 6 to 12 weeks. Remember to gently shake the jar every few days. When the infusion time is up, strain the herbs using a cheesecloth or fine strainer into a clean glass jar. Label your jar with the date, type of oil and herb used. Store the jar in a cool, dark place. Refrigeration is recommended to prolong shelf life, up to 6 to 12 months. As you can see, with just a few simple steps, we can make a variety of herbal infused oils to add richness to our skin routine, either for the face, body or hair care.